It's time for another Silva challenge. This one is going out to my dear friend Kristian of 1st and 64th Customs. Kristian is in New Zealand, so this will be the first international shipment of the Silva challenge. So, as he is a dear friend, I curated this box more than most. I've gone ahead of time and selected what I want to send to him rather than just going through tubs. International shipping is a little expensive compared to domestic shipping, so I wanted to make sure I had things that were truly special. So I'm not just sending junk. I wouldn't do that. So let's have at it. He needs a plane. I'm not quite sure who made this, who destroyed this, but it's the weathering. It's on this as a lesson in itself. Yeah. Now, there's this police hat car. Obviously, this is a very special casting with the hat, the far from transparent windshield, and I'm not quite sure why it has these round circles over the headlights. It looks like it's wearing glasses. So there's that. The Erikenstein rod. This is a great little casting. I love this. It's actually one I did not all that long ago. The video for that is doing really well. I'm not sure why, but it's a cool casting. Almost equally as cool is the Dora Jeep Grand Cherokee with the little boat on the top. I'm sure Kristian can do something really special to show this special respect that it deserves. Let's see. Here we've got a VW Thing. I love the Thing. It's such a cool casting. I have another one of these that I've been planning on doing myself. I just haven't got around to it. But I hope to get to that soon. Hopefully Kristian can do something interesting with that. This, what is this? This is I can't even read it. It's a Matchbox Stinger. Well, that most appropriate name. Has guns on the front that don't apparently move, wings that don't do anything too special, but you'll see this is play-worn. The Stinger is the play-worn part. That is metal, and I'm surprised they even let that out on the market, because that, you could really hurt somebody with that. And this is the kind of toy we had when I was a kid that was good and dangerous. But there's a perfect spot for that right there. Porsche 928. There is not a car that makes me think any less of a post-apocalyptic style build than the 928. I love the 928. This one has opening doors. This is an old Matchbox. Whoa. And have fun with that. Get that in there. Now, I have this Holden that only seems appropriate to send back overseas, roughly to where that vehicle belongs. There is nothing I want to send Kristian more. Well, there's one thing I want to send more, but a cool combi. I'm certain he doesn't like this, which is reason enough to send it. But as I said, I know there's something he likes even less than that, but we'll get to that. I have sent forklifts in these challenge packages before. This is yet another one. This is an old Matchbox one. All of the forklifts I've sent, I believe, have only one of the tongs, or whatever you want to call them, on the front. So matching all of the others, it's only appropriate that only has one. I think that, yeah, that'll fit in there. I think, what is this thing called? A combine? Something like that? I don't know. It has the spinny thing on the front. That's reason enough to throw it in there, right? Put it in there. Here's another piece of construction equipment with the the bucket on the front. That'll work out. Now this is what, a Subaru, what, WRX? Yeah, WRX STI. See, I think he'll actually like this. This is kind of a cool casting, and just seems kind of neat. A Superbird. Let's see here. This is a... You can probably hear the car going by out front. Racing Champions. Superbird. World Championship Wrestling logo on the very back there, and there's some image of something on the hood that I believe is a face. A nice, you gotta love the coloring on that. And finally, the thing that I know he will really appreciate, a bone shaker. I know it's a love-hate relationship with the bone shaker. I love the fact that he hates the bone shaker. So I have to send him one of those. And then finally, if I can get that in there, yeah. What would this be without sending him a hot Czechoslovakian model? Yeah. No, really, it is, if you can make it out there. Czechoslovakia. Not the kind of hot Czechoslovakian model he would probably prefer, but I'm gonna throw some of this in here and let him figure out what he's gonna do with it. Yeah. I'm thinking that's it. So Kristian, just so anyone, in case they're wondering, the reason I'm not throwing any 3D parts in this is because he can print his own. So I may throw some other things in here just for fun. Yeah, I mean, I'll throw some scraps of parts in here. Just, they aren't 3D parts, but they're things off other builds, just so there's some assorted crap in here. Oh, look, a shark body. Yeah, can't go wrong with that, right? Yeah, it's kind of weird, some of this. Oh, look, an engine. But again, the 3D parts just seem kind of silly. Hey, a rat head. Sure. Okay. So there you go. Kristian, this will be heading your way. As I said, he's in New Zealand, so Lord knows how long this package will take to get there. But I hope you have fun with it. And I can't wait to see what you do. Take care. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.